Hello, happy holidays. You're watching ERi-TV and welcome to English News Broadcast. These are the top stories. Delivery service and pre- and postnatal treatment shows swift progress in Mandefara subzone. Training organized on preparation of composed natural fertilizers in Eritrea subzone. Wildfire burning down trees and smoke rising in Arizona. And Mexicans swelter and record-breaking temperatures. The local news. Delivery service in Kudofalasi Health Station, Mandefara subzone, that was 21% last year, has reached 35% this year. Nurse Emmanuel Tesfa Girgis, head of the health station, said the health station provides health service to the administrative areas of Kudofalasi, Mehram, Giddo, as well as 5 villages in Amnahaili subzone, stating that the health station provided pre- and postnatal treatment, maternity and childcare, HIV/AIDS, TB treatment, as well as family health service to the level of remote areas. Nurse Emmanuel called on the public to conduct sustainable environmental sanitation activities with a view to control the prevalence of communicable diseases. The beneficiaries said that previously they were compelled to travel to Mandefara to get health service, and that with the establishment of the health station in the area, their problem has been resolved. As part of the preparation for the rainy season, the Ministry of Agriculture branch and Eritrea subzone organized training program on preparation of composed natural fertilizers to exemplary farmers from the administrative areas of Takonda, Sibraso, Hadamo, Mandefara, and Malawiya. Pointing out on the importance of applying composed natural fertilizers and boosting agricultural production, Ms. Mutanza Sumon, head of seeds control at the Office of Agriculture in the subzone, said the farmers are provided with theoretical and practical training on preparation of composed natural fertilizers. The trainees expressed the significance of the training and the development of their agricultural activities, and thus called for organizing similar training programs to other farmers in their areas. Improved potato seeds that have been distributed to farmers in San Alpha subzone for cultivation is registering encouraging results, stating that the improved potato seeds that have been distributed to farmers are diseases resistant. The beneficiary vegetable farmer said with the sustainable advice and training programs by the Ministry of Agriculture, they are improving their activities from time to time. Mr. Zarasanai Gabras Gabiher, vegetables farming expert in the subzone, said the farmers are keen to apply the advice and training they receive from the Ministry of Agriculture, and as a result, they are collecting bountiful harvests and supplying the market with fair price. The head of seeds control at the Ministry of Agriculture branch in the subzone, Mr. Naber Gabrihiwat, commended for the encouraging activity the farmers are conducting and express readiness to stand alongside their all endeavors. Now back with international news after a short break. Welcome back. A video shared on social media shows flames and smoke rising from a forest burning in Flangsvan, Arizona, the United States. The wind-driven Arizona wildfires scorching through rural areas of the state, with local fires officials saying nearly 20,000 acres have been burned. The wildfire almost tripled in areas this Wednesday after burning dozens of structures and forcing thousands to flee their homes in a drought-hit rural area. The blaze, dubbed the Town of Fire, swept northwest over largely unpopulated hills and valleys 23 kilometers north of Flagstaff, Arizona. This is according to a U.S. Forest Service statement. Mexicans sweltered in record-breaking temperatures that pushed mercury interferometers towards all-time highs during spring. As the temperatures soar in Mexico City, Aljanero Jaramillo, a researcher at the Institute of Atmospheric Sciences and Climate Change, said this is a consequence of global warming. Jaramillo also said that people are becoming more aware of global warming because there has been an annual global increase in temperatures associated with the human footprint in green gas emissions. Meanwhile, in southern states, including Osaka and Yucatan, temperatures reached higher than normal rates, affecting the daily lives of those prone to such heat. With the country witnessing record-breaking temperatures at the beginning of the summer and a shorter spring, environmentalists fear the impact of climate change is obviously evident. A 100-year-old man from the southern Brazilian city of Basco has entered the Guinness World Record book for working the longest in the same company for 84 years. Despite his extraordinary accomplishments, Walter Ottman's advice for those looking for longer and fulfilling professional life are surprisingly routine. He said, quote-unquote, do what you love and stay away from junk food. According to local media, Ortman started on the factory floor of the company now known as the Ranex View, which produces fabrics. Soon after, he moved to administration and eventually becoming a sales manager. To keep sharp, he stretches daily and diligently watches his diet. He also said he really avoids salt and sugar and avoids things that hurt his intestines. Now, a reminder of the top stories. Delivery service and pre- and postnatal treatment shows swift progress in Mendefara subzone. Training organized on preparation of composed natural fertilizers in Abdabaya subzone. Wildfire burning down trees and smoke rising in Arizona. And Mexican swelter in record-breaking temperatures. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.